Preparing. Yeah, Garvit. So we are live.
Okay. Okay, so welcome everyone. So I hope I am audible to everyone. So Randeep sir, am I audible? The screen is
Yes,
visible.
yes. Your voice is clear. Your screen is clear.
All right. Okay. So welcome everyone of all the NAC participants, especially. I hope your preparations are going well. Okay. So let's start today's session of this fun quiz to revise our master class. Okay, just a second. I guess. Uh, uh, hmm, yeah. Okay, so welcome to this fun quiz of master class review. This quiz is specifically for grades 8th and 9th. But if you are not in 8th and 9th, then also you are welcome. You can just stay, have fun, and revise the concepts that are going to come in the NAC. Okay. So before we start, let's see some of the important things that will be necessary for today's session. Okay. Just a second. Hmm. First is that I got many queries that how can I join the last master class. So if you have not attended the last master class, you can go to the Spacetopia platform, click on video, and then click on the past live sessions where you will find the previous master classes over there. So according to your grade, you can select which master class you want to attend and you can watch the recording over there. Then I also got many queries that how do we prepare for NAC? So again, you can go to Spacetopia and click on this NAC tab that hangs on the top, and then click on the study material, which will take you to this NAC study materials page. And according to the grades, we have divided all the books. So in whichever grade you are, you can choose which NAC book you want to buy, and then start your preparation from that book. Okay. So let's talk about today's session, that how you can join today's session. First important thing is that we will be sharing a link in the chat box. So Randeep sir, please share the quiz link in the chat box.
Yes, sure.
So what you have to do, click on that link that is in the chat box. I'll also share the screen in a few moments. There you can see a QR code also. And on the bottom right hand corner, you will see that how it there is a button called how it works. So if you click on that, there are multiple videos. One of which is that how to join this Kahoot quiz. So if you're not sure how to join, you can watch that video also. So important thing is when you click on the link, you will be asked to enter your nickname. So what name you have to enter? Don't enter any nickname. You have to enter the name that is displayed in your Spacetopia profile. So click on the profile button that is on the top right hand corner. Then go to your profile, and whatever name is displayed over here, whatever name is displayed in your profile, you have to choose that particular name only for entering your name in the Kahoot. Okay. If you don't have a name displayed over there, what you can do, you can again click on the same button on the top right hand corner and then enter settings. And in the settings, you can enter your name. So remember, whatever name is displayed over here, whatever name is displayed on your Spacetopia platform, that same name will be displayed on your certificates also. Okay, so if your name is not displayed over there, you can go to the settings, enter your name, click save, and then enter the same name on the Kahoot platform. Okay, so uh, this is how you have to enter. So once you enter Kahoot, you will be asked to enter your nickname. As I said, same name as it is in Spacetopia. And once you are in, you will be displayed this page which says you are in. After this, you just have to wait for a while. You don't have to click on any achievements or any button. Just wait for a while. As soon as I click start, you will start getting questions. Okay. So I can see that still people are joining in. So let them join in. So we'll just discuss the format also. That this is how you will get your questions. That you will on your computer screen you will be getting a question with four options, and on your mobile devices. So as it is written in the description, also you will be needing two devices for this session. One is your laptop, another is your phone. So on the laptop, your questions will be displayed, and on your phone, only the options with the color will be displayed and the shapes. So you have to check your laptop screen that which color is correct, and you have to tick the correct answer in your mobile device, in the second device. Okay. All the best. So let me share the Kahoot screen also. Mhm. Okay. So I guess still people are joining in. So if the link in the chat box, you're not able to click in the link in the chat box, you can also scan this QR code that is displayed on the screen. So everyone quickly join in for the Kahoot. You can either scan this QR code. So now I can see people have started to join in. Okay, so you guys have just 1 more minute. Okay, the link is in the chat box. The QR code is on the screen. Alternatively, if none of these are working, there's a third option also. You can go to this website kahoot.it, then enter this game pin, which is 7107290, and enter the Kahoot quiz. So I'll start the music also. Okay. So I can see 40 people have joined. One. Okay, so remember.
Sir, you can just reduce the volume a bit. Yes, please. Thank you.
So I'll repeat again. So you have to enter the same name that is displayed in your Spacetopia profile. If you're not sure what name is displayed, as we showed the steps, you can go to the profile section, see what name is there, either copy paste it or enter the same name. If the name is not displayed there, you can go to the settings, enter your name, and then enter the same name in the Kahoot link. Okay. So let everyone join. So this is a Kahoot specifically for grades 8th and 9th. Okay, so this is for your revision of the upcoming NAC exam. So yeah, I can see many people, 48 people have joined. All of them are sending reactions also with emojis. Okay, so you guys have 1 more minute. So is there anyone who is asking on the chat that they don't have the link or any errors?
So there is a student who is actually asking if their name is too long, what are they supposed to do? So you can just
You can
quickly.
just enter. You can just enter your first name. Okay. If it is too long to enter in the Kahoot, you can just enter your first name with your another initial if you want.
So you can just scroll through this Kahoot page because few are saying they are not able to see their names on your page.
Oh, sure, sure. There are 53 people. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can see if you can see your name. Okay, these are all the people who have joined till now. Oh, the number is reducing. Don't leave the page, guys. Stay on the page. Stay on the page. As soon as I click on this start button, you will start getting the questions. Okay. So go back to the Kahoot page and stay there. and you will start getting questions. So if there is anyone who wants me to wait, please tell that in the chat box. Otherwise, we can start.
So you can
Okay?
just wait for 1 more minute, and I think after that, start by 6:42, I believe.
Yes, yes. So if there's anyone who wants us to wait, you can tell that in the chat box. Otherwise, we'll start in 1 minute. Okay, so there's a link in. If there's anyone who has joined just now, let me repeat what all we are doing. We are conducting a fun quiz, which will be a revision for grades 8th and 9th for the upcoming NAC exam. To join this quiz, there's a link in the chat box. You can click on that link and enter your name. The name should be the same as it is displayed in your Spacetopia profile. Please keep the name same because the same name will be displayed on your certificate also. If you are not able to find the link in the chat, you can also scan the QR code that is displayed on the screen to enter the game. Okay, so sir, is there anyone who is saying they want us to wait, or shall we start?
No, sir. There's nobody else. Actually, there was one student who was asking to about the Kahoot.it, but yeah, I think you can begin now.
Hmm. So I can see there are 64 people who have joined in. So let me. Okay. Oh, the number started decreasing. Okay. So let's begin and start. So in oh okay, wait. I guess I displayed the wrong quiz, guys. Wait. Sorry, guys, for the confusion. I
Yes.
displayed the wrong quiz.
So no issue, sir. You can just share the QR code
Yes.
once
Just
again.
a minute.
Not an issue, yeah.
Why is it 4 to 5? Yeah. So, Randeep sir, I will request you to share this link again in the chat box.
Yeah, sure.
This time it's right.
Yes, sir. So you can share the link. Yeah, I've got it.
Please share this link.
Yeah, I will just share it.
Green.
Meanwhile, you can share the QR code once again.
So, guys, please join from this QR code and the shared link in the chat box. Okay, so that was a wrong Kahoot. My mistake. So again, you guys have 2 minutes. Join in quickly from the new link and the displayed QR code. We had around 65 participants, so I should see around 65 participants again. Okay. It is unexpected. Yeah, everyone was waiting. Okay, guys, join back. Right, the new link is shared in the chat box. The QR code is displayed on the screen. Your name is shown on your display. All right. Okay, so let's start again. So, sir, is there anyone who wants us to wait, or shall we start?
No, sir, I believe we can start. Yes, sir, we can start.
Okay. So let's start the correct game this time. Quiz it up, masterclass review. 3, 2, 1. So let's see the first question. What was the difference between Ptolemy's model of solar system and Copernicus model? What was the difference between the two models? The Earth's position, the shape of orbits, the center of the solar system, or all of the above? What was different in both the models of the solar system? Both very successful models, but what was the difference between them? Okay, so see all the questions that people are answering. And the answer is all of the above. So, in Copernicus model, which is the geocentric model, sorry, the heliocentric model, the sun is at the center. And in Ptolemy's model, which is the geocentric model, it is where the earth is at the center, right? So, Earth's position is different in both of them. The shape of the orbits is different in both of them. The center of the solar system is obviously different in both of them. So the correct answer was all of the above. Yes, so most of you give the correct answer. Let's see the scoreboard. And Nabhya Bharadwaj is on the top position with Anand and Anjika on second and third. Okay, nice going, everyone. Let's see the second one. The brightest star in the constellation is designated by the Greek alphabet. Which Greek alphabet represents the brightest star in the solar system? You can tell this. Brightest star in a constellation is designated by letter alpha. Yes, most of you gave the correct answer. Yes. So in a constellation, the brightest star is always displayed by alpha. The second brightest star is displayed by beta, and so on. Okay. Let's see the scoreboard. And Nabhya is still on the top. And all the rest positions are changed with Radhansh on second, Ishika on third, and Shaunak and Janvi on fourth and fifth position. Nice, nice. Let's see the next one. So one of the moons discovered by Galileo was. So Galileo discovered this moon. Which was the moon discovered by Galileo? Was it Titan? Was it Luna? Was it Phobos? Or was it Io? Galileo, remember, the first person to use the telescope as an astronomical instrument. Discovered this moon, and it was Io, the Jupiter moon, which is also called as the Galilean moon today. Okay, so Galileo used his telescope to discover four moons of Jupiter. He was the first person to use that telescope as an astronomical device. When he looked up in the sky, he discovered many things, like the mountains or the craters of our moon. Then the Jupiter's four moon, which one of which is Io. Tell in the chat box which were the other three moons. Okay, let's see scoreboard, and we are still on the top. Nice. Okay, so now from next question, let's see, how did putting telescopes in space help astronomers view the universe better? It allowed them to view the universe in all wavelengths. Telescope in space can get closer to distant objects. It can be repaired anytime, or it allowed them to view the universe only in visible wavelengths. How did putting telescopes in outer space help astronomers? Who answers it correctly? It allowed them to view the universe in all the wavelengths, because when a telescope or an observatory, for that matter, is on Earth's surface, there's a layer of atmosphere above it, right? And atmosphere absorbs many wavelengths. But in outer space, as there is no atmosphere, so no absorption, so all the wavelengths are accessible to telescopes. That is why putting telescopes in outer space helped astronomers view the universe in all the wavelengths. So from now on, we'll see the scoreboard in the very end. Okay, so let's directly see the next question. So, next question for double points. All the planets orbit around the sun in dash orbit, having the sun at dash. Fill in the blanks. All the planets orbit around the sun in which orbit, having the sun at point. Elliptical, yes, the sun, all the planets orbit around the sun in elliptical orbit, and the sun is at the foci, or the focus of the ellipse. So ellipse has two focus, sun can be in either one of them. Okay, so yes, the correct answer is elliptical and foci, and most of you did give the correct answer. All right. Okay, so let's see the next question. Suppose you are an alien living 189.2 trillion kilometers away from Earth. What is your distance from Earth in light years? So, suppose you are an alien who is living 189.2 trillion kilometers away. How far are you from Earth in light years? 2, 20, 200, or 10? And in 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 20 light years. Yes. So in one light year, there is 9.4 trillion kilometers. So you just have to divide 189.2 by 9.4, which gives approximately 20 light years. Okay, so yes, the correct answer is 20 light years, and most of you did give the correct answer. All right. Let's see the next question. A star about 8 times as massive as a sun will finally become Earth. What will a star 8 times as massive as sun will become? White dwarf, neutron star, red giant, or a protostar? What will a star 8 times as massive as our sun become towards the end of its life, obviously? In 3, 2, 1. Answer is a neutron star. Yes. So if a star is so massive that it is around 8 times, 8 to 20 times as massive as our sun, then towards the end of its life, it will become a neutron star. Okay. And if it is even uh, heavier than that or even massive than that, then it will become a black hole. Okay. Let's see the next one. So before humans, Gaganyaan mission will be sending Dash to orbit for testing the crew module for life support systems. So, before humans, Gaganyaan will be sending who? Ronika, Vyomitra, Navmitra, or Chandrika? Who will be sent into the orbit through Gaganyaan mission by ISRO? And it's time, so let's see in 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is Vyomitra. Yes. So Vyomitra is a humanoid robot developed by ISRO, which will be sent to the Gaganyaan mission when while testing. So before humans, all the tests will be done on this robot, which will test that if all the functions of the rocket are functioning properly, life support system, and basically all the things. Okay. So you can see the image of this Vyomitra in the background also. So this is the humanoid robot that will be sent into orbit by ISRO in the Gaganyaan mission. Okay, so let's see the next one. The process that creates new elements inside a star is called nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, ionization, or radioactivity. The process that creates new elements inside a star is nuclear fusion, ionization, radioactivity, nuclear fission. The correct answer is nuclear fusion. Exactly. So, nuclear fusion is the process in which two atoms combine together or fuse together and make a new atom or a new element. Okay, so that process happens inside the stars through which new elements are created. Okay, let's see the next one. HR diagram is a graph between dash and dash. What does the HR diagram mean? Is it a graph between distance and brightness, mass and radius, age and size, or temperature and luminosity? Correct answer is temperature and luminosity. Yes. So this HR diagram is the graph between the temperature and the luminosity of stars that categorizes stars into the white dwarfs, main sequence giants, and supergiants. Okay, and most of you did give the correct answer. Nice. Okay, let's see the next one. The layer of sun in which photons are formed is called. The layer in which photons are formed, is it photosphere, convective zone, radiative zone, or core? What is the layer of the sun in which photons are formed? Correct answer is the core. Oh, most of you gave the incorrect answer. Photosphere. Okay, I see the confusion. Photosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth, sun. That is the place from where photons escape the sun. And the question asked was which layer forms the photons. Okay, so the correct answer is the core. Core is the place where all the nuclear fusion happens. And when nuclear fusion happens, light is emitted. Okay, so the correct answer was core. And 14 of you gave the correct answer. Nice. Okay, so you can expect these types of questions in the NAC also. All right. So let's see the next one. The faster a galaxy is moving away from us, the more dash it will appear. Blue, green, pink, or red. Think about it. The faster a galaxy is moving away from us, the more dash it will appear. Blue, green, pink, or red. People are answering. And less than 10 seconds. So in 3, 2, 1, red. Yes. So the faster a galaxy is moving away from us, it will be appear red or redder in color. This is called as the red shift. Some of you also ticked on blue because the confusion there was that blue shift happens when the galaxy is moving towards us. Okay, but the question asks moving away from us. So this is the difference between red shift and blue shift. Okay, so the correct answer was red. Right? And you can see in the images where distant galaxies are seen, those always appear red in color. Okay, so this is the reason of red shift. Okay, so let's see the next one. True or false? Different regions of the sun have different rotational speeds with highest speed near the poles. True or false? So do different regions of sun have different rotational speeds and the highest speed is near the pole? Again, a tricky question. And in 3, 2, 1. It is false. Yeah, see again, this was the confusion over here. So the sun have different rotational speeds, which is called as differential rotation, but the maximum speed is near the equator. It is not near the poles. Okay, so the sun rotates fastest near the equator, not near the pole. At poles, the speed is the slowest. Okay, so no worries. Let's see the next question. Most amount of space debris can be found in the higher Earth orbit, the geostationary orbit, lunar orbit, or the low Earth orbit. Where are the most amount of space debris found? Less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is low Earth orbit. That is the place where most of the space debris will be found. Okay, so it is not lunar orbit, it is not geostationary or high Earth orbit, it is the low Earth orbit. Okay, let's see the last question for today. What law governs the rockets to leave the Earth's orbit? Law that governs the rocket to leave the Earth orbit is third law of Newton, gravitational law, the third law of thermodynamics, or all of the above. Which is the law that governs the rocket to leave Earth's orbit? And the law is third law of Newton, which is the action and reaction law. Remember, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So that law governs the rocket to leave Earth's orbit. Okay, because the action is towards the down and the reaction goes up into the orbit. Okay, let's see the podium now. And on third place, we have Ishika. On second place, we have Rudrashi. And on first place, we have Molushi. Sorry if I'm pronouncing incorrect. And on fourth and fifth position, we have Nishan and okay, so many congratulations to each and every one of you. I was looking at the podium all the time and it was fluctuating a lot. Okay, so let me stop sharing the screen once. Okay, so yeah, besides the one who were with us, I would like to congratulate every one of you because everyone did the best and I was seeing the podium, it was fluctuating a lot. Okay, so let me share you some information again. That NAC is going to happen on 24th and 31st. On 24th of January, the Olympiad will be held for the grades 7th, 8th, and 9th. And on 31st, the Olympiad will be held for grades 4th, 5th, and 6th. If you can get the NAC study materials from our website, spacetopia.in. You can click on the NAC button, go to the NAC study material, choose which grade you want to learn from, and then start preparing. Okay. So, yes, that was a fun session. And so, sir, do we have any questions regarding anything in the chat?
No, sir, no questions. Just the dates were there, but then you declared it already, so no issues.
All right. Okay, so remember the dates 24th and 31st. The exam will be open from 10 a.m. IST to 5 p.m. IST. You have to log in from the link that will be shared to you for 1 hour window, and remember to complete the whole exam in that 1 hour in one sitting only. Okay, so dates again 24th January and 31st January, and the time is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so all the very best everyone for the upcoming exam, and see you all again in some next class. Okay, so bye everyone.